Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video will be a short video. I just need to show you how I will create a separate part file. Since in my previous video, I have shown you how I have done detailing of this bottom casing, top casing, opening lid, and also the plastic bracket and also the push button. If you look here, this is part modeling file. The name of my part modeling file is main casing. This main casing have 5 components. If you look under the feature manager here, we have under solid bodies. Cut S rod is the bottom casing. Rib 26 is the top casing. Mirror 9 is the plastic bracket that hold the tactile switch inside it. Chamfer 4 is the push button, and chamfer 5 is the opening lid at the back. So it means under this one part modeling file, we have 5 components. But later, when we will do assembly, when I do assembly, I don't want to insert this one together part modeling file that have 5 components. It means if I want to insert the bottom casing, my bottom casing file will only has one component, which is bottom casing. Top casing part modeling file will only have top casing. So I don't want it to be like this, that we have 5 components. Alright, to do that, to create a separate part file, okay, what I will do here, alright, so under the insert here, we have features. So we have delete body. Okay, so what I will do, I will delete all the part, all the component except the bottom casing. So here under the list here, I click at this list. So under the solid bodies, so what I will do, I will accept the bottom casing. So I will select rib 26, the top casing. Mirror 9 is the plastic casing. So I click mirror 9, so it's listed here. And chamfer 4 is the push button, and chamfer 5 is the opening lid. Make sure that all the rest 4 component is here except the bottom casing. Then I click OK. Now my this part modeling file have only one body stated here, only one solid bodies. But I don't want to disturb or override this main casing file. What I will do, I will create a separate part file. To do that, so what I will do, file, I will do save as. I will do save as. So here I'm not using save as. I will do save as, copy and continue. So I will go to appropriate folder. Let's go. I go for new folder 2. Then I name this thing bottom casing. Bottom casing. So what it will do, it will save as, copy and continue. So it already done the save. So SolidWorks already done the saving the bottom casing file, and it's there already under my new folder 2. So if I just open here the new folder 2, see here I have bottom casing. Alright, if you look here on the top here, this is bottom casing file. We only have one solid bodies. Okay, let me close back this bottom casing. Okay, now I'm back to my original main file, which is the main casing. Okay, the rest of it like this. So I scroll down. This is a main casing file. So here under the body delete here, I will edit it. So what I will do, I will clear all the listing here. So now I want to create a separate top casing part modeling file. So here under the solid bodies here, the listing here, I will select all the rest 4 components except the chamfer 4 and chamfer 5, except the top casing. So I click OK. Then here I only have, if you look here, I only have one solid bodies. So you got to check here. This is very important. Make sure the solid body is only one. So here I have the only top casing. So I will repeat the same. I will do file, save as, make sure it's save as, copy and continue. So make sure it is under which folder you want to save it. Then I name this as top casing. Top casing. Right, so it's there. Top casing file is there. It will create a separate part file. That top casing file will only have like as shown here, only one solid bodies. Okay, since this is the main casing file, so I will edit back this delete body. So now I want to clear the listing here. So I will select, for example, there is a bracket here. I want to create a separate part file. So I will select all the rest 4 component, except the mirror 9. So if I click OK, I have this component. This is a plastic bracket that will hold the tactile switch. So this one I will save as, copy and continue. I go to the new folder too, then I'll name it as, make sure you name your file appropriately. Like for example, like this one, I name it as plastic tactile, I will name it as tactile switch bracket. Okay, name your part file properly, so it will create tactile switch bracket have only that file only have only one component here, this plastic bracket. All right, so I will edit back. Okay, it's there already, so I will edit back this one. I clear the listing here, so now I will go for the push button. For example, I want to go for the, I will go for the, okay, I clear the listing here. So now I want to save the push button file. So I will select everything here except, okay, the bottom casing, except, okay, here is the bracket. Also I want to select, except the push button, and the chamfer 5 is the open lid at the back. So I click OK. Now I only have the push button. So here what I will do, file, save as, copy and continue, and go to the which folder that you want. So this one I will go for push button. Right, so it's there already, it create because I'm using save as, copy and continue. So here I will edit, Cindy is a main casing file, so I will clear all the listing here. Then after push button bracket, push button already done. Now I will select all these 4 components except the opening lid at the back. All right, so I would click OK. So it only have the opening lid. So this file have only one solid bodies here, opening lid. Yeah, solid bodies, opening lid. Then I will file, save as, copy and continue. Go to your folder. Then I will go type it as opening lid. Okay, opening lid. Right, so it's there already. It create a separate part file, opening lid, that have only one solid bodies. All right, so since this is the main casing file, okay, I will delete it. Okay, it go back to the original. So we need this main casing file as a backup. All right, so I will save back this main casing file. Okay, that's all I need to show you for in this video. Okay, inshallah in the next video I will do some more part modeling of this make throttle. What we call it, we have a long rod here that we call it steerer rod, and also we have a plastic cap, flexible plastic cap. Alright, inshallah I will see you in the next video, but before that please do not forget to click subscribe and like my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.